business automation tools offered by Focus Software to help and empower the technology part for auto repair businesses. Businesses such as tire trading, accessories, rims, aircon repair, and car grooming service SMEs. The platform is positioned to meet end-to-end digitization of tire trading auto service SMEs. The ERP CRM platform is a fully web-based solution and is available on cloud as well as on the mobile. The solution landscape spans across various interfaces such as spare parts or inventory management, workshop and service module, CRM sales and marketing module, and eventually integrates with the accounting interface. All the modules are tightly integrated with one another. Built on an ecosystem concept, predominantly the idea is to reduce the lead times taken to execute a task or a job without the need of a user to do a double entry and in the entire process journey. User experience, workflow processes, and automations. The generic process lifecycle starts from inquiry registration, moves to estimations or quotations, which can internally invoke call for action notifications in line with the SOPs defined. Subsequently moves to a sales order or a work order, connects to the inventory and workshop module at the execution stage, and eventually puts in the data with billing, AR, AP, and accounting interfaces. The UI is intuitive, and once you log in, the first level reports visibility is established in the form of dashboards such as product performance dashboard, stock position, and so on. The platform navigation is simple and can be adapted by all users, including shop users. Starting with an inquiry screen, the interfaces are designed to enable visibility of cross-module information while doing data entry, such as once a tire specs are selected, the info panel on the right-hand side will provide a user an idea of available stock, pending delivery notes, along with product performance, monthly sales, and so on and so forth. This can be further customized to provide visibility of customers' credit history, receivables, last 5 sales, and so on and so forth. Once a transaction is saved, based on the SOPs defined, an alert is sent to the next level user or to the customer himself for an estimate or quote approval. The platform is fully integrated with emails, enabling seamless approval on the go. The product image display function is embedded for a second level check. At Focus, we strongly believe and fairly understand that one of the toughest parts with tire trading and auto service business is the spare parts inventory management. And this gets more complicated with tire inventory as there are various parameters involved, right from model, make, brand, to the extent of manufacturing and expiry dates tracking. In order to ease the challenge, Focus 9 provides a built-in serial number tracking or serialized tracking right at receiving. By incorporating manufacturing and expiry date at the stock in vouchers and enabling a process journey along with the stock in, along with the manufacturing and expiry-based adjustments of the stock in line with those parameters as visible on the screen. The inventory analysis is also very easy to use and is maintained as per the preferences defined for the SKU. Allows crisp cross-reporting such as brand-based stock, size-based stock, stock by expiry, and analysis is possible on a click of a button. All the reports can be represented in graph charts and also can be scheduled over email on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, in line with the frequency defined in the scheduled report. The minimum stock and reorder management is defined at SKU level and helps the store manager to keep a check on stock levels at all times and possibly raise indents for items with low stock in a scheduled manner as well. The customer-centric workshop and sales module of Centra CRM helps a customer to book an appointment for servicing or for the change of tire or a rim or for a service of polishing and so on. This seamlessly integrates with the workshop calendar in real time. The diagnostics SOPs or inspection SOPs against predefined parameters on universal color coding procedures such as green as OK and check, yellow may need replacement, red needs immediate attention, and so on, is fully aligned on the platform. Once the inspection is done, it connects to estimation, it connects to service advisor, moves to the job card opening, passes through work log updates, parts request, application of labor charges, and so on, subsequently to the extent of job closure. The workshop module interface helps service managers to obtain critical information such as open or closed jobs, category-based jobs, escalations, performance reporting on KPIs, TAT, turnaround time, and also encompasses through incentive management as it links to the accounting interface seamlessly. Once a job is closed, an itemized bill is generated which internally connects with respective interfaces. The print design is configurable. The print design can have detailed descriptions, also can have brand level information on the print itself. Bills generated moves on the collection and connects to AR, links to credit management, links to customer statements, links to aging analysis, and while simultaneously integrating with general ledger, cash and bank, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Why Focus? Well, it helps you save time, it helps you improve on shop floor productivity, and helps you define turnaround time metrics in line with historical data analytics and so on. Makes it easy to engage and attract customers. It's a unified platform, perhaps one of the very few simplified all-in-one solutions for auto service businesses, which integrates all the facets of your business with ease. For more information, please visit focussoftnet.com. Book your demo today.